आता पळोवया मडगांवच्यो कांय सरभोंवतणीच्यो खबरो. बीएलओ आनी कॉलेजीच्या भुरग्यांनी मडगांवां रॅली काडली. 1 जानेर 2019 जांकां 18 वर्सां पुराय जाता तांणी मतदार म्हूण नोंद जावचे म्हूण ही जागृताय रॅली.
आमी सगळे बीएलओ आनी थोडे कॉलेजी स्टुडंट्स घेवन आमी एक रॅली काडटा आनी हेच्या भितर एक अवेरनस करपाक सोदता की प्रत्येकान दोज हू आर कंप्लिटींग 18 years ऑन 1/1/2019 विच इज अ क्वॉलिफायींग डेट ते येवन मुखार येवन तेंच्यांनी फॉर्म भरचें आनी आपलें नांव एनरोल करचें. बिसायड डॅट दोज हू आर जे मनीस मेल्या किंवा ते जे मनशांचें लग्न जाल्यां काजार जावन दुसरे कडेन गेल्ले आसा अशा मनशांनी मुखार येवपाचें, फॉर्मां भरपाचीं आनी आपलीं नांवां डिलीट करून घेवपाचीं.
आम आदमी पार्टीन दक्षिण गोंयांत नवे ऑफीस उक्ते केले. आपाची केंद्रीय फुडारी अतिशी उक्तावणाक आशिल्ली.
Congratulations to AAP Goa on opening its office in South District today on Gandhi Jayanti. I think it's an appropriate occasion that on 2nd October this office is being opened, because really the dream of Aam Aadmi Party is the same dream that Mahatma Gandhi had. The dream that every last person in this country should be taken care of. We have started fulfilling this dream in Delhi, and now we are building the party grassroots upwards in Goa so that this transformation can take place in Goa as well.
मडगांवां पोदेरांचे फेस्त जाले. प्रुडंटा खातीर सावयो डायस. फुडल्या वर्साच्या नॅशनल गेम्साची तयारी ट्रॅकार आसा असो सूर गेम्स तंत्रिकी समितीच्या कॉम्पिटिशन डायरेक्टरांच्या बसकेन उक्तायलो. 3 दिसाचे हे बसकेन देशभरांतल्यान आयिल्ल्या कॉम्पिटिशन डायरेक्टरांनी गोंयांत आशिल्ल्यो सुविधा आनी चलिल्ल्या कामाची पळोवणी केली. सगळ्या समाधानी म्हूण अध्यक्ष मुकेश कुमार सांगता. गेम्साक केंद्राकडच्यान 225 कोटीचो आदार येतलो म्हूण एसएजी सांगता.
What is the current status of preparedness in general as we move towards the games dates?
It's very good. It's very good. We have been consciously dealing on each and every aspect, whether it is equipment, medical cover, the very projects, the infrastructure, transport. On every count, the CEO and the sports secretary has been holding meetings very regularly, very regularly. Yesterday he was here. He spent time with the competition directors and GTCC committee. We have formed 11 functional areas, and they have been given the task of preparing for the national games. Now, as regard security, DIG and IGP have been following up. They have prepared their scheme. Shortly, we have already discussed once. Shortly, again, we are going to discuss their scheme. Accommodation has been assigned to tourism department.
We have asked 225 crores. How much are they giving, or what have they told you about it?
We are very positive about it. We have heard that they have moved the proposal to the minister, Minister for Sports. And we are quite positive about it. The Honorable Chief Minister has been pursuing with the Union Sports Ministry, and we are quite positive about it.
There is not much worry, but I have told these 2 indoor stadiums. Yeah, these are going on. So that is the main worry which I have already explained. But the work has started. It is going on. Yesterday also we visited this Kampal Stadium. So we have seen people are working and this, and chief engineer is also here. You can talk to him. What is the schedule he has made for that? when it will be ready and all these things. But of course, it's a time-bound. 6 months to go. But the good thing is now rains are over. So this is one of the plus point. If rains are there, then they have to stop the work. So that is a good thing. I think they are sure. They are also confident that they will be finishing that. Kampal, yes. Yeah, Kampal. They wanted to go for another one, but we refused for that. Kampal is final. Because technically that is good. Only some renovation work is required and some little bit facilities to be added.
हे बुलेटिन हांगाच सोंपता. ह्यो खबरो तुमकां प्रुडंट ॲप, ट्विटर, फेसबुक आनी प्रुडंट वेबसायटीचेर लायव्ह पळोवपाक मेळटा. प्रुडंटाक फॉलो करीत रावात. नमस्कार.